Hi friends, it's Julia. Welcome to day 17 of the Best of Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. Today's sketch is by Laura Rumble for Lottie Loves Paper. And I don't know which series it originally was in. I don't have access to that at this point. But I will show you a close-up of the sketch here in just a minute. But let me show you the things that I have pulled out to use. The original sketch is a one photo sketch. And I have pulled my one photo. I have pulled this scrap of paper to go behind it to act as a photo mat. I have pulled in this introduction sheet to the Gabby collection, and I have pulled in this piece of paper to be my background. What I have also pulled in are some embellishments. I have pulled in this fringe set from Freckled Fawn. They're scored already and split. You just have to bend the fringes up. Some of the die cuts. Let me show you. This one is turquoise white and then black and white. I have pulled in washi strip. I have pulled in several pieces of chipboard. And that is a little die cut from one of the die cut packs. I have pulled in these washi strips. I have pulled in these puffy strips. Oh, there's another little die cut there with arrows. I have pulled in this font from Denise, and I have actually pulled in a scrap from the paper from my last layout. Anywho, so this is where I'm starting. I will show you a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back to show you my completed layout. Okay friends, I am done. Let me show you what I did not use. I did not use this slim washi tape. I did not use this border strip that I had pulled out, nor this little embellishment piece that I had. I did not use these perforated embellishments. These are my cutoff strips. This is the paper that I had pulled for doing a photo mat. I pulled in a piece of white cardstock because I felt like my paper needed, or my photo needed a little extra, and so that's the cutoff from there. And of course the introduction sheet, I did not use this portion, but I did use the scallop piece and the dotted piece. I did use this washi tape. I did use this washi strip. There was a small little piece up here that I used. I did use a label sticker from here. I did pull in these enamel dots. I pulled in this set of puffy stickers. I did use one of the border strips here. I used a washi strip from here. And I did use this alpha font to make my title, and here is my layout. So you can see it doesn't look exactly like the original, but it does have a similar feel, if you will. And that's the whole thing about sketches, is they are really made to give you inspiration, I think. You can see those border strips that I cut out. There's a little embellishment there. There's that washi strip there. An embellishment piece. That's from the introduction sheet. Puffy hearts. Chipboard piece. Enamel dots. That's an ephemera piece. My title with the washi strip underneath. There's that tag with the date stamped out on it. And I did pull in this Pebbles date stamp. It goes up to 2023, I believe. Yeah, and I haven't used it in a while, so I thought I'd give it a whirl. Again, more embellishment, more cutoff piece down here. There's that one puffy border strip, that tag that I pulled in, and I made the ribbon out of washi tape there. So that's it. That is layout number 17. That's one more for the books. I will have close-ups at the end. I hope you will stick around and see those. And I would love it if you would flip me a thumbs up. And I will see you guys on the next layout. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.